Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your screensaver to your photos on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Sony Bravia 7 TV and you want to go ahead and change the screensaver to be your photos. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now there's multiple ways that you could actually go ahead about doing this. The first way is that you want to grab your remote and click on the home button, and then you want to go ahead and scroll to the right to where it says screensaver, and then click on the downward icon or downward button on your remote, and it's going to bring you different screensaver options. So you can select Google Photos, you can select your art gallery, you can select custom AI art, and also if you click on settings, you can change the different art gallery settings, the slideshow speed, or the on-screen info on your screensaver. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your screensaver to your photos on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.